Hey everybody, me RJ. Got these new little handy dandy light books.
Stop moving them
for
so fast.
The pool. Okay, these are solar powered, everything. Okay, these are the Real Work Tools lights, solar powered LED lights, 320 lumens, motion sensor, weatherproof, audio on, off, dusted on. Okay, so I was a little worried, didn't want to do them, but I looked at some reviews. These are at Rural King, but they're available other places. I think Amazon or something said too. Okay, $10 each. I was like, oh man, those don't look that bright. You ready? Bring it in. Bring it in. Don't look, Mama. How'd it go on a minute ago?
Is this the other one?
No. Good Lord, that's bright. I'm blind. So I turned it on. I was going boom. So what we're going to do is put these somewhere here hanging and cover it up. And boom, we got two lights. Now it's daylight, you can't really tell. But as you see, you can see it in the bottom of the pool right now. Watch, can you see that bottom of the pool?
I can see the reflection on the water.
You can see it on the tarp. Is that not on?
It is.
Okay, it's dirty in here. We need to clean it. See all the dirt?
Maybe it's not. Hold
it's on. Okay, so boom. We're going to hang one on this side, on that side. We're just going to hang them off a little rope right here and let them hang. They're waterproof, so have them like right there. Boom, nighttime play, okay? There we go. Keep it update tomorrow. Later, maybe in the dark, I'll show you. They're pretty dope. I was a little worried, but the reviews were decent. So there we go. As always, I'm RJ. Seize the day, each and every day. It is Real Work Tools.
I'm Rural King.
Rural King, solar powered LED light. But you can find them other places. There's only like 10 Rural Kings. All right, bye-bye.